Haver Boecker Niagara manufactures woven wire polyurethanes, rubber screen media and self-cleaning meshes. I would like to highlight two special screen panels recently developed by Haver Boecker Niagara. The first one is Tydeck Ultra, which is a PU screen media with a self-cleaning function. In addition, it offers the wear properties of a PU screen cloth. The Tydeck Twist is a fastening system which is characterized by its ability to be screwed into the media without the use of hammers. The Tydeck Twist also allows for easier removal using an impact gun. This reduces the installation time by about 50%, and at the same time it offers all the advantages of the high-quality PU screen media. Haver Boecker Niagara supplies the full range of available installation methods. These include modular systems, bolted units, and of course, tensioned wire cloth screens. Apart from wear resistance, the benefits of Niagara Screen Media include short delivery times, precise screening results, and a low price per ton. I invite you to test our products, try the high quality for yourself, and benefit from an increase in productivity.